Bumper.com. We're knocking out the competition.
Every scar tells a story, not of defeat, but of a warrior who refused to stay down. The comeback is greater than the setback. Though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. A true warrior doesn't wait for the storm to pass. He trains in the rain. Not by might, not by power, but by my spirit, says the Lord.
Three, four, and then switch. 1, 2, 3, and then alternate. Go. Alternate. 1, alternate again. 2, they're gonna climb up. Climb. 1, back down. And then start again. Ah, there you go. Beautiful. Good. Let's go. Open your legs, ladies. Go. Open your legs, ladies. Go. Good. Work. Slip. Go. Shoulder roll. Shoulder roll. All the way. Go. Go. There you go. Down there. That way. Oh, quick. Here. Good. Just like that. Fast. Go. Shake them. Go. Right away. Go. Go. One more. Fast. Good. There you go. 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 Go fast. Go. Go. Fast over right away. Good.
Neo, heavy up. Get in here. Warriors on 3. Ready? Warriors on 3. Pick up the hands. Put your hands in the middle. Put your hand in the middle. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Warriors. All right.
Get under it. Good. You got to get closer. He's right. Go. That's boom, boom, pop, pop, pop. Okay. See, I'm coming down for it too. I'm coming down, so even if he like ducks a little bit, I'm hitting him boom right there.
Ready? Step in. Step out. Cross hook. Triple slip. Go, rapid fire. Slip. Roll. Come on. Catch. Good. Shoulder roll. Pull. Good. Block. Go. Rear body. Lead body. Double up. Frame. Go. Triple slip. Go. Good job. Let's go. And go. Step, step. 1, 2, 3, go cross. 1, 2, 3, cross your cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross your cross. One more time. Hands up. Go. Step. Go. Step, step. 1, 2, 3, go cross. 1, 2, 3, cross your cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold up. Let's go. Hurry up. Run. Go. Step, step. 1, 2, 3. Again. No, y'all man. I want to see techniques.
Giant thinking rap. Giant thinking rap. Giant thinking rap. Yeah. Yo, giant thinking's raising the bar, inspiring youth, reaching near and far. With fitness moves and critical thought, teaching healthy decisions, lessons are taught. Health is wealth, movement's the key. Mr. Yasser's talk, setting minds free. Calisthenics flow, minds unite. Building futures, reaching new heights. find strength within. Life lessons shared to rise and win. Self-image boost, character bright, discipline and unity, they ignite. Health is wealth, movement's the key. Mr. Yasser's talk, setting minds free. Calisthenics.
Chapter 20T is for tolerance. In the dynamic city of New York, Master Tai, the renowned Ronin leader known for his diverse teaching style, was gearing up to lead an insightful lesson on T is for tolerance. Unlike other instructors, Master Tai taught at various locations, instilling valuable life skills wherever he went. On this particular day, Master Tai gathered his students at a bustling community center. Tolerance, he began, his voice calm yet authoritative, is the ability to accept and respect differences, whether in martial arts or life. It's about understanding and embracing diversity. His students, a mixture of backgrounds and experiences, listened intently, ready to explore how tolerance could enhance their growth and interactions. Among them was Alex, a student who sometimes found it challenging to work with teammates who had different styles and abilities. Master Tai initiated the class with a series of partner drills, where students were paired randomly to practice techniques together. Observe and learn from each other's differences, he encouraged.
The K is for the kick, the K is for the trip, the K is for the jump in the air and the flip, the K is for the focus, the mental agility, the K is for the mind, you know the mind won't slip. Here we go, the open hand, here we go, got fast playing like that. The K is for the K is for karate, the K is for the kick, the kung fu trick, the K is for the kick and a kung fu flip, the K is for the kick and a kung fu slip, open palm, Buddha's palm, get it right one time, for your mind, I rock the mic. K is for the basic level of martial arts. K is for all the arts. Yo, here we go like that. Bust the cap. Here I go, and you know I kick the rap.